Okay, welcome to next tutorial of myCred, and in this tutorial we are going to see about the comment hook, right, and how to assign the point for comment hook and for activity profiles, right. So you are seeing a website here, katsupoint.com, where user posts blog content, right, comments on other contents and take on the points, right, and also they can submit the product from here, right. For example, if you are a seller, if you have a shop, right, if you are a seller, for example computer parts, then you can post the product here, right. You can post the product, you can post your store's name and give your number, give your website, right, and also by doing that that user will get certain point, right, and by using that point they can feature their product in this site. You can see here, get your product or project featured on this site, right. All details are available in this fact section, right. So let's go to hooks and points for comments, right. Commenting in a blog post, right. Approved comments, right. So for member, you can assign the point here, right. So let's assign 10, right, 10 points for approved comments. And for content author, right, keep it disabled for content author, or also you can assign some points, 1, 2 or 3 points, right, depends on you. And you can see here, points is to be awarded even when comment authors reply to their own comment, right. So in this case it is a limit for post 10, so you can do 0 for this because we are not checking it, right. Keep it 0. And about spam comments, right, if someone comes and comments randomly or puts the external links or something like that, which is seen like a spam. If you think it's a spam, if admin sees it as a spam, right, then they can assign a minus point here, right. And also trashed comment, if admin of the site trashed the comment, deletes the comment, right, then again -1 for that, right. So you can define how to assign the point, right. So when this is defined, then they will get the defined point in this case, right. Now save it, and you can see the updates in the log, right. You are seeing the point here and it is a log, right. So let's go to one post, right, and let's do a test comment, right. Test, post a comment. You are seeing comment here, right. Now let's go to hooks and log. Let's see the log. You can see here right now my one approved comment and I got the point 10, right. Now let's go to comments and let's delete it, right, trash. Now let's go to points and log. Now you see deleted comment, point is -1. Now let's see about the BuddyPress members, right. I've installed BuddyPress plugin, since in this site users can go to this activity section, right, and they can create a status, right, activity by posting this kind of posts, right. So they will get the point after doing that, right. So you can assign the points like 0.1 for one activity, right, and limit is 10. For example, you created 10 activities here, right, different activities, then you will get the 10 points, right, per day. Here is the limit per day. If you don't want limit, then do no limit, right, like this, no limit. Then if user creates 50 activities, then they will get 50 points, right? Something like that. Deleted similarly, deleted profile activity, points 1, no limit, right? And avatar upload, 0.1, you can increase it, right? Profile cover upload, 0.1, right? No limit, no limit, no limit, right? And friendship, right? Points 10 for adding new friend, right? No limit on this, right? For example, you added 5 friends, then you'll get 50 points, right? So in this way, also in profile activity, in profile activity comment, right? This is different, right? This is different from this section, point for comments, right? So for profile activity comments, point 1, limit 10 for day 10 comments for profile activity, right? Similarly for deleted comments, right? So this was about the comment and about the profile activity. myCred. Okay, thank you very much for watching.